So the wait is finally over. Now we are going to launch the project very soon, and we have got the RERA approval as well, and the name is going to be Godrej Brooklyn Avenue. You see, it is Kukatpalli's very first Brooklyn themed project, which is very luxurious, and it also has a very New York style like look. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas, and today we will be doing the project overview of Godrej Brooklyn Avenue by Godrej Properties. You see, this project is located in Phase 4 Road, KPHP, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Now before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see that this is the exact location of the project. So your marketing office is going to come over here, and your land parcel as well is going to be over here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now in the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and a lot more. So let's get this video started. The first one is the project overview. You see, this project is going to be constructed on 7.8 acres of land parcel, featuring 2 towers with each tower having 2 wings. So it has 3 basement plus ground and 45 floors. Now it includes 3 BHK, 3 BHK lukes, 4 BHK and luxury residences. Now, coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is located in Phase 4 Road, KPHP, Kukatpalli. Now you see, the Forum Sujana Mall and the Hi-Tech City is only a few minutes away from here. So now when we talk about the connectivity part, the Forum Sujana Mall is just 5 minutes away from here. The Hi-Tech City is just 10 minutes away. Now, coming over to the amenities part, you see this project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which includes your grand clubhouse. There's going to be fully equipped gymnasium, swimming pool, and a lot more. Now, coming over to the super built up area, for 3 BHK premium, it is going to be 1579 to 1889 square feet. For 3 BHK lukes, it is going to be 1983 to 2204 square feet, and 4 BHK residence with maid room is going to be 3207 to 3257 square feet. Now, coming over to the booking process. So as of now, the project is at pre-launch stage. So we are only collecting expression of interest, and this is going to be for a very limited time. But the team will definitely help you with all the details and the pricing that you need. So everyone, that was the project overview of Godrej Brooklyn Avenue by Godrej Properties. Now this project is located in the Phase 4th Road, KPHP, Kukatpalli. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey, and do not forget to click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, from where you can also easily download your e-brochure and the pricing sheets.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.